Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be heading to my nana's house and I am going to be going out in the rain, in the garden, on the swings. So yeah, I'm going to get very wet and my hair is already a mess because we've been down to the river. Now it's even more of a mess. So guys, yeah, we're going to go down. I'm going to go and sleep at my nana's house tonight. And I'm going to go out in the rain because it's really bad. It keeps on absolutely pouring down outside today. It might look all right now, but before it was high down. So, we're going to go, when I get to my nana's, we're going to go outside in the rain on the swings, the wet swings. It's going to go great. It's going to go great. And I might do a video of us going, to shopping. So yeah, guys. My foot is in pain. Oh, is the camera on? My foot is in pain. I walked it off my phone. The camera's on. Oh. So guys, while I basically, my foot is in pain. And while I basically wait to go up my nana's to get dropped off, well, I am going to go outside in my house. It's going to be great because I have grass and a decking. And at my nana's it's going to be even worse because there's grass everywhere. And there's a path around the garden, which I'm probably going to stay on. But I have to go on the grass, I guess, for this video. So outside there's so many slugs on the grass in our garden, so I'm not going on there. Don't want to step on one in my bare feet. Let's see what it looks like outside right now. Okay. I literally just turned it around and placed it there. Didn't even get ready. And like the right angle. Let's put my blinds up. All the rest of them. Oh, that's down. I'm not good at this. I've never been good. Oh! There we go. If you can hear my brother, I am sorry about that. Oh, and my cell take just fell. Not too shabby, but it's gonna get bad. Let's go out. Past my screaming brother. Ooh, outside. I'm outside. I'm bare feet. I'll try and get up. I'm bare feet on the wet decking. It's soaking and my feet feel cold and freezing. And when it probably snows, which is probably not gonna, I'm gonna go out in bare feet in the snow. But I'm gonna do it. Right now it's calm, it's not raining. Let's just have some fun while we're waiting for the rain. Come down, Lane. No, don't. Guys, I'm probably going to stand on a slug here. I just want to get this on camera, trying to get my ball. I'm probably going to stand like 55 slugs, so I just want to get this on camera. It might be funny. It probably will. I got to know not to stand on any slugs. Please. This can be a challenge. Try not to stand in the slugs. Wish me luck. I hope you wish me luck. Because if you don't, I'll cry. Don't stand on the slugs. Oh, so calm. Avoid that. The grass is wet. Avoid that. That one. Give me my ball. Woo! Get me off. Oh, no, don't go back on the grass. Why does it have to do this to me? It's been 2 hours later. Not quite 3 hours later, but nearly 3 hours later. This is gonna take a long time to rain. Rain before me. So I see a big grey cloud. Come my way. Come, no, don't go in that direction. Come over to me. Come on, rain. By myself. Camera, catch. You guys can catch us. Go. You failed to catch. Got it? Yes, 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 you got it without falling over. No. Oh. Here you go. Go back to me. Go back. Woo. Thank you. Come. Can you see the ball? Oh. Touched the washing line. Touched the washing line. Come to where the ball is. Oh, it's coming. Come. He sees the ball. No. You guys catch him. Yeah, back. Gonna wait another hour, guys. How many hours is this taking? I mean, like 4 hours. I actually caught the footage. I asked him, revise the video, back down to where the slugs are. Oh. This is going to go well, isn't it? Step. Where no slugs are. Probably all dead. Because last night there's so many birds flying around the house. So many birds was just flying like crazy. Look at the wall. I got it without stepping. Come to where we are. It's been 4 hours. Jeez. By the time I've waited. Oh, no. By the time I've waited for this rain to come, it's probably going to be midnight. Look, there's no rain. None at all. No rain over there. But there is a big cloud. I can show you guys. There is a big cloud. I just saw a drop of rain. And there's a bit of rain on the camera. Let me clean you guys out. Go. No rain. There is absolutely no rain. You guys comment if there's any rain where you are. Comment in the comment section below. Tell me if there's any rain where you are. If there's rain, I want to come in. No, I don't. I like sun. But for this video, please rain. Okay guys, I'm just going to play with my ball and then I'm going to start the camera when there's rain. Because this is taking a long time. I'm not carrying on doing 1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later, after actual hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. I'm going to play with my ball. I'm going to not think about where it's number 2. I'm going to just let it rain. And number 4 is just play with my ball and tell it. Guys, it's not even 5 hours of waiting. Just joking. It's been still 4.5. Not exactly 5, but half an hour, but 4.5 hours. Whoa. So much work for rain. Rain, come. No, I see the rain coming. The rain's coming. No, the rain's going that way. Obviously, not the way we're coming. It's heading to the front garden, not the back. Head to the back. I want it to rain. I want it to stand down in the rain. 60, I mean 158, 159, 200. I have now bounced my ball 220 times. This rain is not coming, is it? See you in the next video, guys. Bye. Rain, please be falling. And then I'll just start, delete the video and I'll never know. I'll never know. Darius is waiting 5 hours for the rain. Rain be falling. It's actually no rain. What? The camera's still on? I thought I turned it off. Oh, why does this day have to be warmer than it's supposed to? Anyway, guys, I will see you next time. Bye. It's getting windy. 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 Man.